Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of NFL. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.